Ya,
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group F and the member is Tria Dinda Presalia, I'm Arif, and Putri Ramadhani. Today we're begin talking about errors in a word order. As the same suggests, word order means the order of words. The word order in English and Indonesia is quite a lot of difference. For example, mobil merah, not car red, but red car. So, most word order errors in writing expressions consist of two words in reverse order. Here, reverse orders mean wrong arrangement. Next. And the types of word order errors, the first one is misplaced adjective, and the example is she has a dress red. She has a dress red is incorrect, and she has a red dress is correct. And the second, adverb placement errors. The example is he quickly runs to the store always. Um, it is incorrect, and it should be he always quickly runs to the store. And the last one is incorrect questions formations. The example is why you are late. Why you are late is incorrect, and it should be why are you late. And next, here's the example of errors in word order. The first is noun plus adjective. Example, drivers careful. It should be careful drivers. And the second, noun plus possessive. And the example is clothing's woman's. It should be woman's clothing. And the third is minor verb plus auxiliary. The example is finish it are. And the correct is are finishing. And the fourth one is adjective plus adverb. And the adjective plus adverb. Example, a basic extremely idea. It should be an ex. It should be an extremely basic idea. And the next one is verb plus subject. And the example is tell me where is it? I spoke to John where when was he here? And the correct is tell me where it is. I spoke to John when he was here. Okay. Uh, the next material will be continued by.
Thank you to moderator. The next type of word order is prepositions or adverb clause marker plus adverb. For example, after immediately, and the corrections is immediately after, and then participle plus adverb. Bake. For the example is bake freshly bread, and the correction is freshly baked bread. And then relative pronoun plus prepositions. Uh, the example is the house which in she lives, and the correction is the house in which she lives. And then error in adverb, adjective, or quantifier plus almost. Uh, for example, totally almost, late almost, and all almost. And the correction is almost totally, almost late, and almost all. And enough uh, plus adjective. For example, is enough enough good, and the corrections is good enough. And then there are some example for from another sources. And first is noun plus adjective example. Uh, the incorrect sentence is a car red, and incorrect is a red car. In English, adjective usually precede the nouns they modify, and then the nouns plus possessive. The incorrect sentence is the books of John's, and the correct one is John's book. Uh, Possessive nouns or pronouns usually come before the noun they modify, and then main adverb plus auxiliary verb. The incorrect one is quickly run, and the correct sense of the sentence is he ran quickly. In English, adverb of manner typically come after the main verb, and then the verb plus subject, and then the verb plus subject. Incorrect sentence is I don't know where is he going, and then corrections is I don't know where he is going. In indirect questions and other subordinate clauses, the standard SVO order is maintained. And then prepositions or adverb clause marker plus adverb. Incorrect sentence is before quickly leaving, and then in the corrections is before leaving quickly. Adverb of manner typically follow the preposition of or adverb clause marker, and then participle plus adverb. The correct sentence is quickly running. The man fell. And then the corrections. Uh, and then the correction sentence is running quickly. The man fell. In English, adverb of manner often precede present participle. That's all for me. Back to moderator.
The next material will be continued by Putri Ramadhani. The times is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So I will continue the presentation. The next material is about relative pronoun plus preposition. So the incorrect sentence is the book that I'm interested on. And then the correct is the book that I'm interested in. So the preposition in is part of the propositional phrase instead in. And the next, adverb, adjective, or quantifier plus almost plus enough plus adjective. So the incorrect sentence is almost good enough. And then the correct is good enough almost. So almost and enough typically precede the adjective they modify. Next. Okay, here are tips to avoid errors. The first one is learn basic sentence structure, SVO, subject plus verb plus object. So this is the most common sentence structure in English. For example, the cat chews the mouse. So the cat is subject, chews is verb, and the mouse is object. And the second, pay attention to the position of adjectives and adverbs. So adjectives describe nouns. They usually come for before the noun they modify. For example, she is a beautiful woman. And then adverbs modify verbs, adjective, or other adverbs. They can often be placed in different positions within a sentence, but it is important to use the correct placement to convey the intended meaning. For example, she runs quickly. Adverb modifies the verb runs. And then, for example, she is very intelligent. Adverb modifies the adjective intelligent. And the third one is practice forming question with correct auxiliary placement. So auxiliary verb is like to, have, be, will, can, and etc. are used to form question. The placement of the auxiliary verb is crucial. For example, does she like coffee? Instead of she does like coffee, can you swim? And instead of you can swim. And the last one is read and analyze well-structured sentence in English. So reading exposes you to various sentence structure and helps you internalize correct grammar and use. Pay attention to how sentences are constructed and how different parts of speech are used. Okay, next. So this is a sample item from the identify the error. The first one is goods such as flour first and seafood are often shipped by air. So the error from this sentence is flour fresh because the adjective fresh must come before the noun flowers. This is first flowers. And the second, visitors to Vancouver often comment of how beautiful its setting is and how clean is it. So the answer is it because the correct word of order in subject plus verb. This is it is. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you. That's all from our group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.